As a consumer, we often do research before doing business with somebody. We've all stayed in a hotel before. What do we want to know? Is the place clean? Is it loud? Is it quiet? Is it near where I want to be? What is the price? All those come into play before we make a decision. Eyeglass repair is the same. Hi, this is Glenn with All American Eyeglass Repair. Let me share some tips you want to know before doing business with somebody. First of all, do they laser weld or do they solder? You want to know if the company does laser weld. That'll make your finished product look that much better and allows them to work on more metal components. At All American Eyeglass Repair, we will always laser weld your product. Knowledgeable. When you call to speak to someone and send an email or call, do you get a person who knows your product and can answer your questions, or do you get someone who has to have somebody else call you back at a later time? At All American Eyeglass Repair, you will get someone on the phone who can answer your questions immediately. Parts that go on the frame. If you have a name brand frame like Prada, Versace, Maui Gem, Silhouette, Ray-Ban, ask if original parts are going to be put back on the frame or if they're using aftermarket parts. At All American Eyeglass Repair, most of the time we'll have the original parts you need to put those back on the frame and do those either while you wait when you walk in or within 1 day if you send them to us. Price and time frame are important. So again, find out how long will the process take. When you call, if you're going to mail your frame in, you want to know if it's going to take several days or does it go in and out in 1 day. At All American Eyeglass Repair, our facilities that do mail-in work will call you immediately when they come in. Generally, they'll go out that afternoon or the following day. Reviews are important. Find out what others are saying about the company. I'm very proud to say in the time frame we've been around while we record this, we've had over 500 reviews with a 4.9 rating on there. Please go back in and take a look at all companies and make sure the feedback that other customers are giving provides you the comfort level before you send in a frame. At All American Eyeglass Repair, we're here to help you. Please feel free to contact us via email or phone number and ask any question you want. We're here to help you.